going for the workout, and unfortunately, I am late. So, although the gym is open, I got plenty of time to go whenever I can. But the thing is, I have to go around 11 because that's when my trainer works out as well. So I feel like it's good, if we both work out together. Okay. But now that we've missed that chance, I'm still going. Like it's one. I believe it's 1:20 right now. But yeah, this is an L situation. Today is chest day. I'm at the gym. It is 1:30. I'm late. What I do is I take pre-workout at the gym. Is that weird? Yes. And then I just stand around there, feel the ambience of the place and everything. So this means that my workout will start around 40, 20 minutes after taking the pre-workout.
Spinning the block.
I'm all over the place today, dude. I have to do that loading for 7 days. That means I have to go 2 scoops, like 10 grams a day. Again. So I should have taken it before the workout and then after the workout. So today is chest day. So we're gonna be training the chesticles, starting off with a 50 push-up thing. We'll do 15, 15, 10. Okay. Uh, just for like the thing. We have to do like a total of 50. That's what my trainer said. So let's go with it. Okay, well, I could do 20, so I went for 20. Right. Alright, so 20. Uh, Now we do like 15, 15. Okay. Yeah? Okay. So, incline, whatever this is, incline bench press.
नीचे 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 से पास
अच्छा
हाँ
ये यार ये ना एक सेकंड ये ना इधर स्ट्रेच पड़ रहा है
अब ठीक है
Uh,
So I got did a 50 kg bench. Pretty good. I don't know, like there's something about training with music. It's just that it just gives you like an extra punch. It's like a stimulant or something. You can, and especially System of a Down. So I have to take it. So after workout, I eat, and then in the night time. So you're gonna like load it up first, okay, and then you start it.
Chad, the good thing about today was, so my trainer, he schooled someone by telling me that look at this guy's form. This is how you should do the bench press. And I was like, damn, bro. 10 minutes. 10 minutes of cardio. Looking directly into your soul. About that. Alright. One last flex. Just this is what will come in. So good workout. Yes. The thing is, I have to do the loading phase, which I didn't know about. I have to take it twice a day. So you load it up in 1 week. and then it starts working. I gotta go home to my woman. Wait, no, I gotta go. Just gotta go home. I've never seen a woman in my life. The weather is pretty dope, though. Yes, I'm talking about the weather. Good, good weather. I think it's gonna rain. And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Hooga booga man. Ooh, ooh, ooga booga man. Ooh. Do not turn on a podcast and go to sleep unless your phone is not on charge. And actually, why my phone wasn't on charge? Because I had the mic charging, but I pushed the mic charging thingy. It was on my bed, and that wrecked everything. Mic didn't charge, and just gotta be more careful, man. Gotta be more careful. Took the pump juice today. Pump juice was very effective. Um, Now, just go
Trials and
home, man.
tribulations.
Yes. There's so many things that I have to like take into account while streaming. Yeah, I've gotten very good at it, but like still there's like some things that slip through the uh, whole ordeal.